Yes, children. Good morning, everybody. Hearty welcome to our channel is Smart Study. And yesterday you all have written exam very well. That is Navodaya paper. Paper is very easy, and many are saying that we have written well. So the still the key is also not released as in the internet if I check. So that is why I am only making the video. Already I have done the arithmetic video and now I'm doing the English video so that you can check the answers which are wrong and which are right, but I'm not doing mental ability because it is easy, you can do that. And now I'm going to say the paper which set means this is Z set. Okay, only for Z set the questions will be in this order. Who got other sets X or Y, what you need to do means you need to check the question which para it is, which question, and in that way you need to check your questions. Okay, let us start our video. English paper is really very easy. From the passage itself only you can take the questions and write. That much easy they give. I thought at least one passage like that they will give, but tough. But all the four paras are very easy. Okay, let us start our video now without wasting time. See what is the first passage. I'm reading first. I will read the para and later I'll explain to you. Clear? There are only two simple rules to follow to lose weight or to maintain a healthy weight. They are to eat a balanced diet with less fat and sugar and to exercise more. So what they're saying, we are having only two rules for losing the weight and also even to maintain the healthy weight itself. What are they? To eat the good balanced diet. Balanced diet means without eating all the waste food which is not good for our health. Healthy food you need to eat and in equal quantities. That balance means not nothing but all carbohydrates, fats, proteins, and all those type of nutrients should be there in an equal amount. Okay, which are having less fat and less sugar, and you need to do more exercise. Okay, in this way, if you do, you can keep your health fit and you can also lose the weight. Clear? Next one. Next point is what, Nana? You don't have to starve to lose weight. Starve means what, Nana? Hunger. Telugulo అయితే ఆకలి అంటాం. Okay. You don't need to do any dieting or like that for losing weight. Okay. Starve means nothing but what I told, hunger. ఆకలి. HUNGER. Okay. Marker is not working properly. Yes. If you eat less sugar, cakes, biscuits, and eat more fruits and vegetables and drink plenty of water. Plenty means what? More. Chala. Plenty of water, you will lose weight and be healthier. So, what they're saying, if you eat the less sugar, the food items which are having less sugar are cakes, biscuits, and all this, you need to eat less, తక్కువ తినాలి ఇవన్నీ. Then what you should eat more means fruits and vegetables. Okay, all the waste food which consists of more oil, sugar, biscuits, cakes, pizza, burger, all this food, junk foods you should eat less, and you should eat more fruits and vegetables, and along with that you need to drink plenty of water. Plenty means what? More water you need to drink, then you can lose your weight easily and can be healthy. Clear? Go for a walk or cycling every day. So what they're saying, every day you need to go for walking or cycling. Clear? And be more. Okay, see children, be more active instead of watching television or playing video games. So they are saying instead of playing games in their phone, your mobile you are playing, no, now instead of doing that or watching TV, you should be more active. Like you should play games, you should move here and there every time. If you are active, so you can be healthy and you will not gain the weight also. Clear? This is about the para, and now let us see questions one after one. See here, Nana, first question. How can we remain healthy? First, I will read the options. Listen carefully and tell me what is the answer. Okay. First one, how can we remain healthy? By eating biscuits only, by doing exercise only, by eating a balanced diet and doing exercise, by eating more fruits. So, what did I told? By eating a balanced diet and doing exercise, we can remain healthy. Yes or no? Here they have given us. See, by eating a balanced diet and doing more exercise. So first answer, 61st answer is what, Nana? Option C. Remember, this is Z set paper. Other set who got? Check your questions carefully and mark your answers. For everybody, same paper. Yes, but the questions will be jumbled. 62nd question. What do we have to eat more or to lose weight? So what they are saying is which type of food we need to eat more for losing the weight? Option sugar and cakes. If you eat more sugar and cakes, will you lose weight? No. Fruits and vegetables, biscuits and sugar, biscuits and fruits. Fruits and vegetables. Yes, you should. If you eat more good fruits and vegetables, you will be losing weight. Clear? Moving to the 63rd question. What do we have to drink in plenty to remain healthier? So what did they ask? Everything are there in the para only. Okay, in plenty I told more. What we need to drink? Plenty water. Yes or no? See here. Drink plenty of water to lose weight. So what is the answer, Nana? Water. What do we have to drink in plenty to remain healthier means option is the water, that is C option. Now moving to the 64th question. Which is a good exercise for all? Walking and cycling, kite flying, playing video games, watching television. In this, which is good exercise to lose weight and be healthy means walking and cycling. Everything is there in the para itself only. Okay, from there also simply who don't know how to read English well also by seeing the para only, from this only you can tick and tell the answer. See here, walking and cycling. Clear? Yes. Now we are in which question, Hannah? 65th one. See here. Which word is opposite in meaning to the word active? I told you. Sometimes they will say synonyms. Sometimes they will tell antonyms. Sometimes they'll ask you simply what is the meaning and opposite. Luckily, without saying synonym and antonym, they ask you opposite. So opposite of the active is what, Nana? Inactive. Even dull is also correct answer only. Inactive is also correct only. Okay. Better you keep inactive. Okay, 65th one, inactive. Dull also is correct only. Yes. Now moving to the next para. First para is completed, very easy. See, check that for 5 marks how many marks you have got. Now moving to second passage. Deepak was excited. Excited means very happy. Happily he is overjoyed. Okay, he was going on a picnic on Sunday with his uncle and cousins Preeta and Ria. So where he is going, it's he is going to picnic. On which day? On Sunday. With whom? With his uncle and his cousins. What are her cousins? His cousins name Preeta and Ria. Clear? He packed his backpack with his swimming kit, snacks and playthings. Okay, in his bag what he kept it some, as he's going to picnic, his swimming kit, snacks for eating and all the playing things he kept, and he packed his bag. Who? Deepak. Next, they started at 6 a.m. in the morning. Early morning at 6 o'clock they started for going to picnic. It was a long drive and they reached the picnic spot at 9 a.m. So the place where they are going is very long itself. And how much time it took for them to reach means morning at 6 o'clock if they start, they reached there at 9 a.m. 9 o'clock. Okay, 3 hours it took for them for journey. It was a farmhouse in a village. So where did they go? In a village. For a farmhouse they went. They walked around the village to see the paddy fields and learn how the rice is grown. So after going, what they have seen is some paddy fields. Paddy means what? Rice. Okay, how all the paddy fields are growing, how the rice is grown, everything they have went and observed there. They climbed trees and plucked mangoes and guavas. Okay, they climbed the trees and the plucked means what? Removed. Okay, పండ్లన్నీ కోసుకొని తిన్నారంట. What fruits? Mangoes and guavas. In the afternoon they sat under a tree and had lunch. Afternoon they all sat under a tree and had their lunch. Next, when uncle said it was time to return home, they wanted to stay longer because they liked the village so much. So what did the uncle told? The time is finished, now we have to return back to home means what? All the children and Deepak they told it some, the place is very nice and we want to stay here only for more time, they told it some. Clear? Yes. Now let us move to questions. 66th question. The word excited means what? Nothing but meaning. Excited means confident or busy or very happy or depressed. Nana, very happy. Why they are very happy? Because the uncle told that they are going to picnic. So what is the meaning of excited? Very happy. That is option B. Clear? 67th one. Yes. Deepak and his cousins dash felt bored in the village, enjoyed the picnic, wanted to return home, could not climb trees. What is the answer, Nana? Enjoyed the picnic. He and his Deepak and his cousins have enjoyed the picnic. So option B is the answer. Clear? 68th one. Deepak went on a picnic with whom did Deepak gone? With parents or uncle and cousins, friends, sister. With uncle and the cousins. See, every answer is in the question only. See, uncle and cousins is there. Yes or no? Next, 60, which question are now? 69th one. Yes, the picnic spot was in a park, beach, swimming pool, village. Where it is? In a village. So option C is the answer. 70th question. Uncle showed Deepak how A. We eat, how to swim, how to drive, how the rice is grown. So what did the uncle showed them, for Deepak and his cousins, how the rice is grown in the village. So option D is the correct answer. Clear? Yes. Now moving to the third passage. Two passages are finished and now we are left with two more passages. Now let us see third passage. Can you see here? Still shall I zoom? Yes. Now see here, Nana. Have you played the tug of war game? Okay, they are asking that, did you play the tug of war game? It is an interesting game. That game will be very interesting itself. To play tug of war, you need some open space, a long and strong rope, and two teams of players. This game many times you might have played or you might have watched in movies also. Okay, one big rope will be there from two sides. This side some people will be there at one edge and other corner also some people will be there. They will be dragging with more force. Who will win? They will be getting. Yes or no? Who will drag? So where we are? To play tug of war, you need some open space, a long and strong rope, and two teams of players. So what we need for playing open space? One strong rope. Rope means taadu. Two teams of players. Players should be in two teams. The game will be interesting only if both the teams are equally strong. So the people who are there in both the team sides should be strong. Then only they can drag the rope forcefully. That time only the game will be interesting itself. A line is drawn between the two teams. Okay, a line will be drawn in between the two teams. Next, the team which gets pulled and is made to cross the line in the middle loses the game. So when you are pulling the rope, what will happen? If you cross the line which is drawn in the middle, if you cross, then you are out. That means you will lose the game. You are the loser. Clear? The strongest member of the team should hold the end of the rope and the team should pull in a united manner. So in that team who is strong, okay, who is having much energy should stand at the end corner of the rope so that he or she can drag it with more force, and all the people in the team also should pull in united manner. United means what? Together, under kalisi. Okay, equally they need to pull. Next, the play area should be cleaned of stones. So wherever they are playing, that area whole should be cleaned of stones because they will be dragging with more force down. If any stones are there, what will happen? It may hurt them. Otherwise, it would cause injuries. I told you injuries means wounds. Debbalu antam kada. It may hurt them. Clear? You understood the para, right? Now let us see the questions. Tug of war. Tug of war is a what? War, rope, fight, game. What is it, Nana? Game. So C option is the correct answer. 72nd one. In tug of war, we do boxing, hiding, rope pulling, batting and bowling. What do we do? Rope pulling. So option C is the correct answer. Now, 73rd one. The end of the rope is held by the dash member of the team. Tallest, shortest, strongest, youngest. The end person should be very strong to pull the rope, I told. So, option C is the correct answer. Moving to 74th one. The team which is pulled across the line in the middle. Okay, in the middle line will be drawn. Yes or no? If you move, if you rub that line, what will happen? That team is lose. So winner, loser, successful, give other chance. The team is the loser. If you put a what happened in the middle of the line, if you are crossed on the line which they have drawn in the middle. Clear? The word united means what I told, meaning. So what is the meaning of united? Together. Andaru kalisi, gathering. Okay, united means what? Together. Option A. Yes. Now moving to the last para. Autumn is the season. Autumn means what, Nana? You might have read many times. The autumn season is also called as fall season. Okay, in this season, what will happen? All the leaves which are there for plants will be falling, and later new leaves will be coming in the spring season. So all the leaves which are falling off, going off, is called autumn season, and later when new one come, that is called spring season. So autumn or fall season. autumn season that falls between summer and the winter. In which seasons it will come? It's between summer and winter season, autumn season will be coming. There are many changes that begin in this beautiful season. So in this season many changes will be occurred in the nature. Days become shorter. In this season what will happen? Days will be becoming shorter. Next, leaves of trees turn from green to lively red, yellow and orange. That I told now, all the leaves will be going from green color, they will be changing into red, yellow and the orange color. Next, in fact trees need sunlight to keep their leaves green. So all the trees need sunlight. Without sunlight can the trees live? Sunlight, air, water, everything is important. So if the leaves should be green means they need the sunlight. Without sunlight leaves turn pale. Okay, pale means what? Independent. They will turn into yellow color because they are not having the sunlight. The grass is no longer blanketed with dew but with frost almost every morning as temperature reaches the freezing point. So what will happen to grass itself? Everything it will be covered with the frost instead of the dew. Means what? Manchu. Blanketed means what, Nana? Covering. You might have seen in winter season we'll cover blankets and sleep. Okay, to protect from the cold we will put blankets and sleep to protect our body from the cold. So in the similar way the grass will be blanketed with what itself? With the frost instead of the dew. That means manchu. Next, animals start storing up a food supply to last through the long winter months. So what all the animals will do in this season itself? They will be starting off storing the food. Store means what? Dachpetkodam. They will be storing the food for long winter months because in winter in cold they can't move here and there. So what they will be doing? They will be storing the food. These changes occur as we adjust from the heat of the summer to the chill of the winter. So all these changes will occur in between which season? Summer and the winter season. All this will be happening. Now let us see the questions. See 76th one. Autumn occurs between summer and dash. In the question, in the para only they gave. Every answer in these 4 passages are there in the para itself only. No need to think logically also. Okay. So autumn will occur between summer and winter they told. So option C is the answer. Winter. 76 is C. Now moving to the 77th question. See here. Which of the following changes may occur during the autumn? What changes will occur? Days will become short. It becomes very hot. Days become longer. There is more sunlight. Days will become shorter. So option A is the answer. Clear. Days will become shorter. Now moving to the 78th question. Leaves turn pale during autumn because they do not get enough oxygen, do not get enough light, that means sunlight, do not get enough water, store too much oxygen. In the passage what they gave? Do not get enough light. Yes or no? In the passage what they gave? Do not get the enough light. Where it is, Nana? Here they have given, see, sunlight. Okay, without light, sunlight. Yes. Next, everything is in passage only. 79th, right? Yes. 79th question. What do animals begin to do to prepare for the end of the autumn? Okay, what does animals do? They told animals store food, shed fur, eat less, turn colors. Animals will store the food, right? Option A is the correct answer. 79th is the A. Now moving to the last question. Another word for blanketed. That means meaning. What is the meaning of blanket, or in other terms how we can say for blanketed? Grass, woolen, grew up, covered with. What I told? Covered with. What is the meaning for blanketed? Other word means covered with. So 80 option is the C. Clear? And by this successfully we completed everything. Yes. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our Smart Study channel. And these marks are not for 1 point. Remember, 1.25 marks. Each question you'll get 1.25 marks. By this I have completed the English paper also. And I just now in before video I told arithmetic also. For this both 40 in these 20 questions, in the 20 questions, 40 questions you can check your answers. And reasoning is very easy, that 40 marks also you check. So total for 80 questions, how many questions are correct? That many questions into 1.25. If you do, you will get the marks for 100. And please don't forget to share this video for with your friends also, so that they also can check the answers. And thank you. Like our channel is Smart Study, share with your friends and stay at home and be safe. All the best for your future, guys.